Among the various genres of movies, thrillers hold a special place because they provoke us mentally and emotionally. Who doesn't want to experience thrills? Hey, this is Anne from Anflix. Today we are counting down our picks for the top 10 best thriller movies. Subscribe to Anflix and click the bell icon for more fascinating updates. Ready or not? Grace couldn't be happier after she marries the man of her dreams at his family's luxurious estate. There is just one catch. She must now hide from midnight until dawn while her new in-laws hunt her down with guns, crossbows and other weapons. We should really watch the flick to see how she turns down the table. This movie pulls off comedy, drama, horror, suspense and action. The colors and compositions are gorgeous and the performance of the cast is really very good. It has excellent pacing and plot twists that which are real strength to this flick. This is not a movie to be missed. Memento. An insurance investigator suffers from anterograde amnesia and uses notes and tattoos to hunt for the man he thinks killed his wife, which is the last thing he remembers. It's undoubtedly the most original and unique thriller to come one in years. It has a superb writing and amazing performance. This flick is so influencing that it changes your perspectives about cinema. It is a brilliant piece, so go enjoy it with an open mind. Nightcrawler. A petty thief realizes that he can make money by capturing photographs of crime scenes and starts resorting to extreme tactics to get there. This movie is of excellent story writing, stylistic cinematography, skilled direction and great acting. You get totally immersed in the film as the first half is more about establishing the things in the story and the second half drives you by becoming more interesting. The climax of the movie will keep you in the edge of your seat. And believe me, this flick is worth the bucks. I Saw the Devil. A serial killer kidnaps and murders a young woman for no reason. And when her devastated fiancé, a trained secret agent, discovers a head in a local river, he becomes obsessed with hunting down her killer. Once he finds, things get twisted. The movie talks about pain and suffering in the most horrific and gut-wrenching way. This film has fantastic performance across the board, from the minor characters to the leads. It really drags you into it with its exceptional script, and it is one of the must-watch classics. Taken. An ex-Secret Service agent's teenage daughter is abducted by human traffickers while on a trip to Paris. With almost no information on her whereabouts, he travels to Paris to find and save her. Taken is another solid action thriller that has a resonating soul. Even though the movie is a bit too long, it keeps you glued till the end with its strong, heartfelt story. The cast have taken the movie to its height with their dashing acting, clever action-packed moves, fights, and car chases. The photography, sounds, and editing have really enhanced the total flick. On the whole, it is a movie worth watching. Drishyam. A man lives a happy life with his wife and daughters. However, things take a turn for the worse when his family commits an accidental crime, leaving him to protect them and their secret. It is the best suspense thriller with invincible acting. Most of the moments enable the audience to connect emotionally with the family. There are so many remakes filmed in various languages, but this one original stands above all of them. Its cinematography is so awesome that you feel it's so natural and real. Get to see this game-changing flick with no delay. The Silence of the Lambs. An FBI agent seeks help from a psychopathic serial killer and former psychiatrist in order to find another serial killer who targets and murders the female victims and uses their skin to make and outfit. It is a well-crafted movie where the camera is used very beautifully to capture the close-up shots. The cast has given the ultimate performance, and we should really appreciate the designing team for creating an amazing crime and post-mortem scenes. It is impossible for us to find a single flaw here. Don't ever miss this fantastic thriller. Ratchasan. A man gives up his dreams of becoming a filmmaker and takes up the job of police officer after his father's death. He then attempts to track down a psycho killer. This astounding psycho thriller stayed true to its genre with no logical flaws. It promotes a high level of anticipation and intense excitement. Each and every scene will keep you into it, which also will build up a nerve-wracking tension. This movie is technically sound with commendable artworks and cinematography. The terrific acting of the cast is one of the main reasons for the movie to score. Missing this intelligent flick is not a great idea. A Tale of Two Sisters. On returning home from a mental health facility, two sisters find that, along with their stepmother, they have to find a way to deal with their late mother's ghost, who begins to haunt them. It is one of the darkest and most creepiest and twisted movie, which is extremely unpredictable. The acting, props, effects, filming, plots and pacing. Everything is awesome in this flick. This psycho thriller is bloody scary and is definitely worth watching it. Shutter Island. Two US Marshals are sent to an asylum on a remote island in order to investigate the disappearance of a patient, where one of them uncovers a shocking truth about the place. This flick is with excellent cast and great acting, and also has many fictional plots that which is over exaggerating. It has an awesome direction and cinematography which should be appreciated. It is more than a thriller with perfect timing, and it's impossible for you to get bored, and you will fall in love with this flick for sure. And I would say that it is one of the most remarkable flick that you should watch. I was totally amazed with the ending of this flicks. Do you agree with the list? If so, give us a thumbs up. And which of these movies do you think would leave your mind thrilled? Let us know in the comments without fail. And for more top 10s, make sure you subscribe to Anflix and hit the bell. And if you think your friends would love such flicks, share it now. And I'll be back with another best handpicked list. Until then, this is Anne signing off.